Question number 7 from Standard 6. An analyst who is a CFA Institute member manages high grade bond mutual fund. Okay, so he is working on high grade bond mutual funds. This is his only professional responsibility. So he is handling only high grade bond mutual fund, nothing else. When the analyst comes across a speculative stock investment that he feels it's a good investment for his own like portfolio, personal portfolio, the analyst. Okay, let's look at the options. A is the analyst is in a violation of standard 4A loyalty to employer by spending time analyzing the stock when he should only analyze bond. Okay. So he should actually only analyze bond because he is working on high grade bond mutual fund only, and that's solely his like responsibility. So he is not handling any stocks or something. But we cannot assume that he has spent the time analyzing those stocks because nowhere in the question it is given that he has spent the time on analyzing the stocks, and because of that his work efficiency got impacted. So we cannot assume that. Also it is given that when the analyst comes across, so if you read the question carefully, comes across मतलब we can make out कि इसमें time नहीं गया होगा because he is just coming across those speculative stocks, so he has not spent the time. So that's why A is ruled out. B may invest in the stock because the analyst would not purchase the stock for the portfolio he manages. Looks to be correct because he is working only on the bonds. However, he has come across that stock, and if that stock is suitable for his personal account, he can do that. There is no problem because client के लिए तो खरीदना नहीं है. So it's okay. He can buy for his own account. So looks to be correct. Let's see कि C में क्या दिया है. Must notify his supervisor about the stock according to standard 6B priority of transactions to see if it is appropriate for the portfolio that he manages. So he is managing only the portfolios, manages high grade bond mutual fund. So he is only into the bond mutual fund. So stock would not be appropriate. So that's why C is ruled out. So the correct answer is may invest in the stock because the analyst would not purchase the stock for the bond portfolio he manages because he is handling only bond का portfolio. So stock वहाँ पे डालने की जरूरत नहीं है. So he may invest into that stock if it is suitable for his own account. So the correct answer is B.